Hey, what's up guys, this is Josh from Lead and Iron, and today's video is going to be an unboxing, and it is a PlayStation 5, and this is the digital version. NANI? It does not have the disc area, but I got this straight from Sony. And I was given the opportunity to buy this from the Sony website, from the PlayStation website. And it was done through my email, like they emailed me. I don't even remember like entering, but I think it was from my PS4, because I do play PS4. So we're gonna unbox it and see what's in this box, and let you guys know if this is something maybe you might wanna try to get into. So let's get started. I'm going to try to get this to where here. Ouch. Hey, now there is like security seal on here. It did leave some of the stuff on here, even though I took a knife to it. Anyway, let's open this up. Okay, here's the first box. Gone. In the second box, looks like there's just a little tab here. You guys have to excuse me, I do have a pretty bad back, so I get so many cuts in my videos, so I gotta get up, stretch around and stuff. Okay, so far that's what's in it. And so we have a booklet, and this is a safety guide, and also as well as a bunch of different languages. The plug. It looks like our controller. Looks like our stand. Now this HDMI cable, this is a high-speed HDMI cable that enables 4K 120. So they really urge you to use this cable on your TV or monitor or whatever you're using to play this game. Very important. Use the cable that is provided, or use a cable that is high-speed HDMI. So this was on the controller side. So this is a Type-C to USB-A cable. God, this thing is big. This is big, guys. This thing's pretty large. Alright. Damn little piece. Alright, so here's this. So it looks like it goes this way. Take this off. Well packaged. I'll say that. Take that out. It's kind of girthy, a little heavy. I would imagine the disc version would be just a little bit heavier, since it has more components to it. Wow. That is actually really good looking. Taken back by it. It's really big, really tall, long, kind of heavy. So on here, looks like we have the power button. We have the the Type-C connector and the Type-A connector. Back here, looks like we have some type of security lock. USB 2 USB 3.0s, Ethernet cable, and HDMI, and then where we plug in our power source. All right. PlayStation logo in the corner. Let's put this to the side. Remember, guys, use the HDMI cable that is provided. All right, let's look at this stand. Now, I know you can either lay it down or have it standing up. And I know like there's tools and stuff underneath here. A screw, tools. And our controller. Oh, actually it feels, the texture on the back of these actually feel really nice. Very nice. So I don't know, what would you guys, how would you guys orientate your PlayStation? Would you have it sitting up or laying down? Let me know in the comments how you guys would set it up. Now that I have time, I'm quite excited to get gaming going. I don't know how to turn this, so bear with me, guys. There we go. Okay, so there is a screw down here, and it does hide. So check this out, guys. So see this little hole right here? So if you decide to stand it up, you take this out, that little cover, and that little cover goes into this hole so you don't lose it. That's pretty creative. I gotta give it up to Sony for that. That's pretty cool. So I think, because it is a little over 12, so maybe 15 inches tall, a little over a foot tall. There we go. All right. So let's do this. So it works, guys. Check that out. So it looks like there's little grooves in here that it links up to. Yeah. I don't know if it clicks in, because I know like if you lay it on its side here, they have this the X square, circle, and triangle. I don't know if you can see that right here, but that's how you line up that. You just set it in. Let's do that right now, guys. Now that we have it in, it's nice having a thumb screw so you don't necessarily have to go get tools, you know. You can do this. Heck, you could probably even tighten it up with like a quarter. Nice and snug. I happen to have a quarter right here, believe it or not. Yeah, that'll work. There we go. It's our stand. Here's our PlayStation controller. Bring this back a little bit. Our PS5 controller with our high-speed USB cable, our power adapter, and our Type-C wire that goes to our controller, and our literature. And that's literally what's in the box, guys. This specific one said it was coming with like a year of PlayStation Plus, which we'll get into that when I power this on and hook it all up. And I don't know how I'm going to do that. I do have a monitor that was in my last video where they had two 32-inch LGs. I think I'm going to take one of them off because it's really awkward having two 32 inches together. I'm going to set this up and we'll have another video on the first gameplay, because I know it's going to take a little while to download a game, see how it goes from there. And hopefully, I think I'm going to use the monitor that I have for this and use a monitor instead of just hooking it up to my television. So let me know what you guys would do. Would you have its own independent monitor, or would you hook it up to your TV? There's really nothing else in here, guys. That was it. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this video. We are 25 away from 100 subs, and I have already got the giveaway for 100 subs, and I'm going to be creating a video for that, and it's going to be its own video where we comment on there, and that enters you into the drawing. So stay tuned for that video. That one's coming up real soon. Probably going to shoot this after I finish putting this up. Everyone will be entered into that. Okay, guys. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas, and hopefully you guys have an amazing New Year. And we're going to grow together. We're going to have some fun together. We're going to give away some stuff together. And I really hope you guys are wanting to come to that journey with me. Anyway, guys, stay safe, stay warm. And I got to go because my back hurts.